Hello everyone, MSRNGA 2007 here, and today is Wednesday, July 21st, 2021 at 6:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, and this is going to be the 7 p.m. required weekly test. So radios that are going to be going off are going to be the 12519, both of my WR300s. The WR120 will be on display like usual. My older version 5 and my newer version 5. Hopefully the 12250, 12247A, the ER10, 74109, which will be on LED. Not the HH50. I didn't turn on, did I? And then also the WR400, like usual.
The temperature was 84.
So yeah.
The wind was east at 5. Observations from...
Oh yeah, and the ER50. I think I already said that, but I'm not entirely sure.
89 degrees.
And also, this thing will be going off. This is a GE 74845A, except it's not going to be sounding a alert tone. It'll just be flashing the two LEDs that are behind this piece of plastic here. So, yeah.
Central and southern Oklahoma and western North Texas. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected. Days 2 through 7, Thursday through Tuesday, thunderstorms. There is a chance for thunderstorms late Saturday across southwest Oklahoma and western North Texas, and again on Sunday across northern, central, and western Oklahoma and western North Texas. Thunderstorms will also be possible Monday afternoon across northern Oklahoma. Organized severe weather is unlikely. Heat, hot, and humid conditions will gradually return by this weekend. Get graphics and more details at weather.gov/Norman and follow our weather forecast office on Twitter and Facebook. This is your weather radio station WXK85 in Oklahoma City, operating on a frequency of 162.40 MHz. Programming originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Norman, Oklahoma. At Oklahoma City, the sunset this evening occurs at 8:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, and the sunrise in the morning occurs at 6:31 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The Oklahoma City climate summary is of 6 p.m., July 21st, 2021. So far today, the high temperature has been 86 degrees. So far today, the high temperature has been 86 degrees. The normal high is 94. The record high is 107 degrees, which was set in 1939. So far today, the low temperature has been 65 degrees. The normal low is 71. The record low is 54 degrees, which was set in 1970. No precipitation has fallen. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 22.08 inches.
I don't think they relay it. So, yeah. So, failures. older version 5, or I'm sorry, newer version 5 WR100, and the 12250 also failed. So, yeah. How long did they tone it for? An hour, okay. So, yeah. So, pretty successful weekly test. So, like I said, our only two failures were the newer version 5 WR100 and the 12250. So, yeah. Anyways, so, yeah. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day. Oh yeah, I did forget to mention, but the GE failed. The GE74845A failed. So we had 3 failures. But still, that's pretty good. At least there weren't like 10 failures. So yeah. Anyways, so yeah, like I said, a couple seconds ago, thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.